Good morning, children. Let's take your English textbook, page number 64, chapter My Elder Brother. This is a story of two brothers who are affectionate and respect to each other. The story is about two brothers. They love, they respect each other. The story also shows that learning from our day-to-day experiences is as important as what we learn from books in the school. So children, this story tells us that experience is also very important as important as hard work. It means that learning from school is not only important, but the day-to-day experience is also very important in our life. This is a play based on the famous story in Hindi, Bade Bhai Saheb, written by Munshi Premchand. This story is a play. Play means like drama. And it is in Hindi and it is written by a Hindi writer, Munshi Premchand. And Hindi title is what? Bade Bhai Sahab. And it is translated in English. So let's read the play Bade Bhai Sahab or My Elder Brother. See the page number 65. Scene 1. As it is a play, it is a drama. So scene is here. Scene 1. A hostel room. Two brothers aged 9 and 14 years sitting at a study table. See in the page number 64. A hostel room it is, and two brothers age 9 and age 14, means elder one is 14 years old and younger one is 9 years old. They sitting at a study table. The elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book and the younger one Munna is drawing a picture of birds and animal. So this is the scene of the story. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? Bhaiya asked Munna, what are you doing? Munna said, I am drawing. Then Bhaiya said, when will you study? Where were you in the morning? Now Bhaiya asked, Munna is drawing. So Bhaiya asked him, when will you study and where were you in the morning? Then Munna turning pale. Turning pale means he is scared. He is scared and he said, I was playing. Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? Then Munna is asking to Bhaiya, how are you sitting with books many hours? Then Bhaiya said, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. Then Bhaiya answered Munna that he want his foundation. Foundation means base. Foundation means base. Bhaiya want a solid base in his study, in his education. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Bhaiya is saying to Munna, if your base is strong, then your building of study, building means here education, then your education will stand firmly. Like this he is explaining to Munna. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Then Bhaiya said, sometimes 1 year's course he is completing in 2 years. Now Munna said, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. Means Bhaiya is 5 years elder than Munna and 3 classes ahead. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Now Bhaiya is asking to Munna is asking to Bhaiya that why one word you are writing 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and one poem several times. Several times means many times. Why you are repeating these things again and again? Then Bhaiya answer, you know, studying English is not child's play. Then Bhaiya answer to Munna that studying English is not child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. English is, this story is in Hindi, no? So Bhaiya is saying learning English is not a very simple thing. We have to work hard because it is not our language, it is other language. So for learning the other language, we have to work very hard. To speak or write English properly, tremendous effort is required. Then Bhaiya said, for English speaking and writing, tremendous means great, very huge, very large effort, very hard work is required for learning and speaking English. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? Then Bhaiya said to Munna, when you are getting chance, you are getting time, you are running outside to the field and you are playing marbles, you are flying kites, sitting with friends, and you are not studying. Bhaiya is saying to Munna. Then Munna said, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Now Munna wants to go in mela. Mela means fair. In village fair, he wants to go. So he is saying to Bhaiya, we should go. Then Bhaiya said, have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? Then Bhaiya is asking to Munna, have you seen me? I am going to mela or watch cricket or hockey. Means Bhaiya is not going anywhere. I don't go near them. I prefer to study. Means Bhaiya don't want to go anywhere. He want only to study. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class all years. Then Bhaiya is saying, I don't have any problem. I am repeating the same class 2 years. I don't have any problem. I don't mind. But you might stay in the same class all your life. But you will stay in same class whole life. All your life you will stay in same class. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? Then Bhaiya asked to Munna, you expect that you will pass because you are spending your time in playing all the time. So will you expect to pass? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. Then Bhaiya said to Munna that you are wasting father's money. You are not studying properly, always going for play. You are wasting your father's money. Then Munna started crying on being scolded. Then when the bhaiya said like this, he start crying because he got scold from his brother. And sobbing. Sobbing means he is crying. To speak while crying. He started sobbing. Sobbing means to speak while crying. Wah, 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 wah means making sound. While crying, making sound, he started sobbing. Munna. Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Then Munna said to Bhaiya, I am feeling I want to go home again. Bhaiya, now stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up and down. Then Bhaiya said, now stop crying and smile and see, I have made a timetable for you. Let's see the timetable made by Bhaiya for Munna. Time and schedule. 6 a.m. Wash your hands. Have your breakfast and sit down to study. Then 6 to 8 a.m. study English. 8 to 9 a.m. study maths. 9 to 9:30 a.m. history. Then 3:30 p.m. then off to school. Then 9:30 to 3:30 p.m. time is for school. Then 5 to 6 p.m. grammar. Half an hour for strolling means for resting. Then 6:30 to 7 p.m. English composition. Then dinner. And 8 to 9 p.m. translation, 9 to 10 p.m. Hindi, then 10 to 11 p.m. other subject, and then to bed. This timetable made by Bhaiya for Munna. Then Munna said, but when is the time to play? When Munna saw the timetable, he asked to Bhaiya, Bhaiya, when is the time to play? Bhaiya, play. What is the need, Munna? Munna, oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like the touch and go and hututu sound of kabaddi, and the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. Then Munna told to Bhaiya, he likes the gentle breeze, playing football, kabaddi sound, volleyball, everything he likes more, and each these games pull him like a magnet. Like a magnet, he was going out. He liked to play. He likes to play games and he likes to go outside. And when he was outside or in the field or he was playing, he forgot everything. Like this, he answered to Bhaiya. So children, here our scene 1 over. Scene 2 we will study in part 2. Thank you.